Pachu Jalu. That means aura farming. Today we are going to react on song from India, and that song has the viral kid from Indonesia who is also known as aura farming kid, and he got famous because of Pachu Jalur. Pacu Jalur is an event that happens in Indonesia. It is mainly a boat race, and he got famous from there because he was aura farming in that race. And you know what? Indians are so crazy. They have made a video on aura farming. Indians never leave any opportunity on the things that are viral. They are going to make some plans on capitalizing it. And Bollywood is a crazy industry, and that Indonesian kid is in Bollywood now. But yeah, we are happy for that kid that he's getting so many opportunities now, and he has entered Bollywood or India. This makes me so happy now. Salamat Datang, I guess, from India. This song is a production of Gulshan Kumar and T Series, and the singers of this song are Zara S. Khan, Tanish Bakchi, Ryan Arkan Dikha, and Bhushan Kumar. And the song name is Aura Farming. So without any further ado, let's just jump on it. Chai. So typical Indian. Indian music. What's happening? Indian music is always crazy. The beats of drums and everything about it, the entry with chai, it's so Indian. And so far, there is no entry of that Indonesian kid. We are waiting for him.
जब बीट बजेगा तोरा जाना चेगा तो बहुत लगेगा स्पीड दबा के थोड़ा हीट बढ़ा के हाथों से करेगा और फार्मिंग
He is here. They gave him some new steps, and his entry they have made really crazy. Pachu Jalur. This made me so happy right now. I have been dancing on this step. I have been copying his step in almost all of my reaction videos. And today we are reacting on him directly. Today we are going to dance like so crazy. And you can also see that I danced so much in that step. And maybe I'll be following this step in the future videos also. And especially in this one, this song deserves it. Okay, we have to see his entry again.
और फार्मिंग
Oh, they have given him new steps.
हाँ नाचेंगे सारे साथ हमारे जब तू नचेगा यारा इतना बजेगा गाना हमारा देंगे कलेजा फाड़ पहला जो खबर तेरा धड़का दिल ये मेरा
Oh.
हमने इंस्टा पे
I like the welcome that he's getting. You can see this is an Indian welcome that they are giving him. India is giving Pachu Jalur kid an Indian welcome. They have given him an Indian song also, and they are preparing him for the dance. The riz this kid has is out of this world. That is why this kid is the definition of aura farming. Let's see his welcome again.
पहला जो खबर तेरा धड़का दिल ये मेरा तूने इंस्टा पे ऐसा काम किया रे
इंस्टा पे ऐसा काम किया. That means he did something crazy on Instagram, which is this. They are talking about that.
इंस्टा पे ऐसा काम किया रे अबे चलना जब बीट बजेगा तो राजा नाचेगा तो
Oh.
हाथ लगेगा
Raja means king.
स्पीड दबा के
So they are calling him king.
हाथों से करेगा और फार्मिंग
They are shaking their heads. Aura farming. राजा नाच रहा है. I mean, Raja is dancing. Aura farming. They made this kid dance. Oh! Aura farming. That was a crazy video. And the song is really good. And his aura has made this song really crazy. I am wondering how much viral this song will go in Indonesia, and how much viral this song will go in the world, and also in India. So we will just see what happens to this. By the way, his entry was really crazy. This is so crazy to see. They have brought him in India and they are making him dance in Bollywood steps and Indian steps. Just, and I am an Indian dancing in Indonesian steps. What a crazy combo. I really want to see him more in any Bollywood movie maybe. And I hope this Indonesian kid gets a great success everywhere, not just in Indonesia and India, but everywhere. I mean, he has already got that, but yeah, I think I want that to remain consistent. He has become an international celebrity now, and this kid has crazy aura. Anyways, guys, this was it for today's video. If you enjoy my reaction videos, do like and comment in my videos and subscribe my channel for more videos like this. And do let me know in the comments which video should I react to next. See you on the next one, guys. Goodbye. If you enjoy watching my videos, do subscribe the channel